Oats, bananas, and cocoa. You have not tasted anything better. Pour hot water into the bowl with oats. Mix well and let soften for 10 minutes. Mash the peeled bananas with a fork into a puree. Add the banana puree to the bowl with oats. Crack 2 eggs into the bowl and mix well. Pour the eggs into the bowl. Add almond flour. Add a few tablespoons of cocoa, brown sugar, dark chocolate, and baking powder. Mix all the ingredients well until smooth. Put the mixture into the baking tray. Level the layer and bake for 45 minutes. Take a few strawberries. Cut the stems off the strawberries. Then cut the strawberries into pieces and put them in a glass. Cut a lemon into thin slices. Put a few slices in the glass. Add ice cubes. Fill with sparkling water. Add honey to the bowl with yogurt. Add cocoa and mix well until smooth. Spread the cake with an even layer of yogurt cream. Sprinkle the cake with decorative chocolate and chill for 1 hour. This time, I decided to treat myself to a healthy cake, without flour, with an intense banana taste and fine cocoa cream.